What is up? This video is for the ChillRx community. My name is Sweetman.eth, aka Sweets the Engineer, and today we're going to be talking about our new drop, Guarantees, on the pharmacy, as well as how we do payouts at ChillRx. We're going to have 3 steps. First step, create a split. Second step, update the fee recipient. Third step, test the purchase. Step 1, splits. We use 0x splits, where all you have to do is type in the ETH addresses, and then you can type in the percentages. We will split evenly. I'm going to lower the fee percentage because we haven't talked about it yet with the ChillRx team. Gonna make it as low as possible, something I would like to discuss in the future. Create the split. Creating the split deploys a brand new custom contract for the creators. We're gonna be deploying this from the RX deployer, so it's underneath ChillRx. Gas prices are pretty high right now, but less than $5 is still not ludicrous. So we create the split. Once the split is created, we can then update our fee recipient. Looks like we have successfully created our split. So now if anyone sends ETH or any ERC20 token on Ethereum mainnet to this address, forever it will always distribute to the creators with no chance for those rules to change. Now let's update the drop so that when someone buys one of these NFTs for 808 Chill, 1/3 of the funds go to ChillPill, 1/3 of the funds go to Kage, and 1/3 of the funds goes to Stockz. We do that by going over to the contract. We'll write the contract. I need to swap out for the Sweetman.eth address. Swip to this account. Okay. Still showing the wrong address. Connected. So go to write contract. We can connect to Web3. Click connect with MetaMask. And then, I guess just to verify, we can show you who the current funds recipient is, which is in config. You can see the funds recipient is an address that starts with 01329. This is not our splits address. Our splits address starts with FE1B, whereas this one starts with 1329. So let's update that. We'll go over to our right tab, and then we will set a funds recipient to FE1B. It's matching, ending with DCAB. Looks good. We'll write. Another transaction on ETH mainnet. This is going to be to set the funds recipient. Fingers crossed it's less expensive. Very cheap, $2.30. High gas prices, not enough to slow this down. So now we have created our split. We've then updated the fee recipient to the split. Now we're good to go. All of the purchases should automatically flow through the split. This is the first drop on the pharmacy where we're actually setting it to a split. So let's see if it actually works. Once this transaction goes through, we'll make a test purchase. Looks like it finished. Let's check it out. This was a transaction that went through 20 seconds ago to set the funds recipient. If I come back over here and look at who is in the config, before it was 0x132, we query again. The only thing that's updated is the funds recipient, which is now FE1B, which matches our split. This all looks good, so let's try buying Guarantees. I'm gonna buy 3 copies.
What's that? Yeah.
Because I've just got some chill.
Look, see, it's a couple things that I could guarantee.
In this way, each of the musicians is going to get 8.08 chill, knowing that there's 3 people.
Bitch, I'm rich off NFTs. I might liquidate these holdings just to hold a couple G's. Huh, nigga, please, you ain't get it like me. Got this ice all on my tea, but I ain't sipping iced tea. Ain't no Nestle, nigga. White hoe look like Coco. Got my mojo like I'm JoJo. I might pose up for the photo, but ain't posing, that's a no-no. I'm a real one from the south. Diamonds in my mouth, dropping gems when I pop my shit, you gotta hear me out. Crypto crooks making money coming out the drought. You been popping all that shit, ain't doing nothing. What's that about?
Took about a minute and I didn't see a transaction pop up. Let's try refreshing the page. Click mint again. This time, much faster. Opened up MetaMask. All right, fingers crossed. If this all works right, not too expensive, $6 for me to buy the NFT. If this works right, when this purchase goes through, we should see Chill show up in a 0x splits contract that can be split to each of these recipients. Looks like we had a successful mint, and we've now got 8.08 Chill. And oh, did I only buy one? When I refreshed the page, I forgot to increase it to 3. Dang, I don't want to pay those ETH gas costs again. Okay, so there's 8 Chill inside of the wallet now. And so anybody can distribute this. I'm not going to distribute it right now because I'm going to let it kind of rack up. But we have proven that Chill is now actually going to be going straight to the musicians. No need to wait for Spotify to pay you out months later, or iTunes or anyone else to pay you months later. If you're dropping with ChillRx and you're a musician that's dropping with ChillRx, you can rest assured that your money is going to your wallet at the splits that we promise you with no ability to change. If you've got any questions, reach out to us. Our ChillRx community is very active on Discord, and I, Sweetman.eth, am active on Twitter as well as Lenster. If you got any questions, reach out to us. Otherwise, this is Sweets, signing off.